mark easy peasy. Into this class, we shall be looking for the area of a triangle whose height is not given. When looking at this shape, we discover that the height of this triangle is not given. So let's label the height as z. Now, there's another thing we must determine. This triangle is not a right-angled triangle, but one half of the triangle is a right-angled triangle. To know the base of this first half of the triangle, the size of the base, we must divide it by 2. So the base of this first half of the right-angled triangle will be 8cm, because 16 divided by 2 will be equal to 8cm. With this, we are good to go. So we're going to look for the height, and with the height, we'll be able to look for the area of the whole triangle. Let's impute this into the formula that we learned in our former class. So z squared, as we said, is equal to the hypotenuse, which is 10 squared, minus the base, which is the adjacent, which is what? 8 squared. Z squared will become 100 minus 64. Z squared will be equal to 36. Now, to get just z, we're going to look for the square root of 36. And the square root of 36 is equal to 6 centimeters. So, the height of this triangle is 6 centimeters. With this, we can now calculate the area of the triangle. Now, let's calculate the area of the triangle to arrive at our final answer. Area of the triangle, as we all know, is equal to the what? The base times the what? Height, all over 2. Now, the base of the triangle is simply 16, and the height is what? 6, all over 2. Now, 6 times 6 is 36. So, I put on 6, carry what? 3. 6 times 1, 6, but 3 I carry 9. This gives me 9. 6 divided by 2. And my final answer will be equal to 48 centimeters squared. So the area of this triangle on the board is simply 48 centimeters squared. As I said before now, math is easy, peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, domino pizzas. So this is what you need to do to determine the area of the triangle when the height is not given and it is not a right-angled triangle. See you in my next class. Please subscribe to the channel, click the notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye.